Sean O'Haron with MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler superstore. And what do we have that just arrived off the truck, nicely wrapped from the factory? A Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. I'm going to unwrap it so you can see exactly how they come in and the beginning steps of what we do to get these boats ready for our customers. Let's get started. You can see just how thoroughly these boats are wrapped from the factory, so no matter where they're transported, whether it's Florida or Minnesota, they're protected on that truck. All right, we just finished the vast majority of unwrapping this beautiful Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. And first thing we see, beautiful 300 horsepower V8 naturally aspirated Verado engines with a white motor calling, perfect for Florida. This is going to make this thing a rocket ship, twin 300s on a 27 Dauntless. Let's come aboard and let me show you some of the other wow factors this boat has to offer. Right here, I'm stepping on what is a seat when it's flipped up, but right now it's a perfect casting area or getting on and off the boat from that area. As you come over here, look at this. When we're in the water, this is exactly where you're going to sit and hang out, get in and out of the water right here. I just raised this seat into the upright position. It's where I was standing a minute ago. Got this nice grab rail, very high back seat. Lift it up, all the storage area, and it stows your dive ladder. Coming over here, 35-gallon Yeti cooler slides out easy, out of the way. Nice little bait station, sink, couple extra rod holders, stainless steel cup holders, and grab rails everywhere for when you're underway. Beautiful setup back here. Moving forward to the helm area, you got your nice windscreen right here, plenty of dash space to put everything. I've taken the covers off of the Ray Marine electronics. You got your Ray Marine VHF radio right here, fusion stereo, active trim system, so it automatically trims the boat while you're underway. One less thing for you to think about. You got your trim tab Lenco indicators so you can see where your trim tabs are. And these are, of course, the fly-by-wire digital throttle shift, very smooth every time. You got your dive platform override, so that's that platform, that's the button to bring it up and down. Stainless steel cup holders, easy to read, easy to use, toggle switches for everything from your courtesy lights to your horn and everything. Just a nicely laid out dash with the addition of dual bolsters so two people can sit or stand whatever they feel like doing while underway. What a great helm setup. Moving forward to the bow, you got a head underneath the helm, plenty of headroom. You got a window, battery switch, very convenient, a must when you're on the water all day with the family. Heading forward, getting into this beautiful lounge area. Right ahead of the helm, you got this very long lounge with armrests, cup holders, everything. And there's more to this than just a nice comfortable area. Plenty of storage. Very deep, as you can tell. You step down in here, put your dive tanks, put all your rods, everything out of the way, and it's lockable. Very nice feature. Seats here, as you can tell, I got one up and one down. Very nice for whatever you want to do. Cup holders arm length away. What I haven't unwrapped yet is the sunshade. This is going to shade this entire area from the rod holders to the T-top. You can see those little clips. This whole area will be under shade. This is a perfect boat for anchoring or beaching it. If you beach it, you got a nice non-skid flat surface to get on and off. Open this hatch, and you got the windlass, the powered anchor. Got the remote right here, so it's easy to see and easy to use out of the weather. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this amazing Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. This is Sean O'Haron with MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler superstore.